Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe today. Yeah, it's mystery box time. So these JoAnne mystery boxes came from JoAnne's online. I did make a video about them, so hopefully everybody that could get them got them, or everybody that wanted them got them. They had them on doorbuster prices for $24.99, which is probably a pretty good deal. And at the right now, which is 6/22/2023, they are still doorbuster prices. It says they're normally $60 and they're down from $24. Let's open them up and see. Want to? So they have red heart boxes, 4-way red heart boxes, and they have Karen 4-way boxes. And then they have Red Heart 5-way mystery boxes, and then they have Burnett mystery boxes. Now, I have had them all before. I don't know, last month or something. They had them on doorbuster, and I got them in. And I opened it on camera, and I was happy with all of them because they're mystery boxes, and you know, you get what you get. I don't really care about them. Care about that, but the Burnett one wasn't my favorite. It had like a lot of velvet and Burnett pop in it, which isn't one of my favorite yarns. So I didn't get any of the Burnett this time. I'm not saying that, I mean, it could have been different this time, but I just didn't do that. I got Red Heart and Caroline. All right, enough. Just tell me. Say enough, Bagoday. Shut up and open the box, right? What's in the box? All right. Oh, and I also got a coupon code for 25% off of these. So it was $24.99 and 25% off. Can't beat that. All right, so I have 4 boxes to open. I got 3 of the Red Heart 4-weights and 1 of the Karen. Let's see what's inside, shall we? All right, so this one says Red Heart number 4. Remember, when you buy mystery, you don't buy for... I always tell people, you don't buy for the value, you buy for what's inside. It's the fun of not knowing what's inside, because sometimes you don't get what you want. You don't get what you like. And that's just the way it rolls with mystery boxes, you know. And a lot of the times the value on it will not exceed what you paid for the mystery box. But sometimes it will. More than likely these will, because they're on doorbuster. Probably at $60 they probably wouldn't have. But just remember, mystery boxes are only for fun. They're like a gamble. Some of my comments, I remember I read that mystery boxes is better than going to the casino. Or it's similar to going to the casino, I guess. But at least you're getting something out of it, you know? Like you go to the casino, you lose all your money. You don't always, but most of the time the house always wins. At least you get something for your money in a mystery box. It may not be the yarn you like, but at least you get some yarn, right? All right, I'll quit talking. 3 minutes in and I'm still talking. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so, okay, so this is the same. This one right here is the same as I got last month, which is fine with me. I don't care. I like it. So I'm not going to open it up because I'm going to be giving this to somebody, so I don't want to open up a bag. More likely, I'm going to give it to someone sometime or another. If I use it, it'll be clean then, I guess. It'll be clean anyway, so I'm just going to put it in a tote. All right, so this is Red Heart with Love, which is nice. It's a nice, soft, premium acrylic. The color is... if I can remember right, boysenberry. So it's a purple. See that? And it's a medium weight number for acrylic, 300 and some yards. That 370 yards. And I got 3 balls of each of those. So there's plenty there to make a project. And I got this again as well. This is Red Heart Soft, which I like it too. It's in a grape color, I think, or raisin. I can't remember. Grape. It's very soft as well. I actually made a blanket out of this last time I got it. because I got several. 256 yards per ball, so I got 3 of them. And then I got some Red Heart Soft, and I think this is like a wildflower color. It's a variegated. I got this as well last time, so it's the same as the purple, but variegated. So I got 3 of those, and that was for 24. So 6 balls. 9 balls. 9 balls for $24.99, but I did get 25% off of that. So if you ask me, I definitely got my money's worth. And it's fun to open a mystery box. So it was a win-win for Bagoday, because Bagoday likes mystery boxes. Okay. This one is Red Heart as well. Now it should be different because they had 4 different Red Heart mystery boxes you could pick from. I picked 3 of them, so they should be different. They should be, but I don't know. It could be the same. You never know, right? Oh, it's not. But it is the same as the ones I got last time, and that is okay by me. So I got, it's all Red Heart Unforgettable. I like Red Heart Unforgettable a lot. And last time, if you watched my video, this is my favorite color of the Red Heart Unforgettable. It's called Petunia. I was gonna make a shawl out of this. I have enough of them from my last unboxing to make a shawl. So the Unforgettable is very beautiful, very shiny. Medium weight number 4 acrylic, and it's a roving style yarn. And there are, let's see here. What is the yardage on this? 270 yards per ball. So I got 3 of the pretty purple Petunia. It's my favorite color. Unforgettable has a lot of pretty colors though. And then I got this one, which is very pretty as well. This one's called Whimsical. I like that one. It does look rather whimsical. It's beautiful. I apologize for not unpacking them out of the bag, but you can see the colors in there. White, blue, pink, purple, pumpkin, avocado. Very whimsical. And then I got this one right here, which is called Gotham. Gotham. It's very pretty too. That's really saturated colors there. You got your fuchsia, your pumpkin, your dark blue, blackish brown. It's like Gotham City. No, I'm just kidding. Those are very pretty too. So that was in my other one. Now I have 2 more. I got 1 more Red Heart and then a Caron. And by the way these 2 went, it's probably going to be the same as the ones I got last time, but you never know. Never know, right? Sometimes these yarn companies throw you for a loop. They surprise you sometimes and really do give you a mystery. Not very often, but sometimes they do. Okay. Let's go with the Red Heart, and then we'll do the Caron. I think I know what's in the Caron, if it's the same as last time. Okay. Ugh. Okay, here's the last Red Heart number 4 box. I'm going to guess that it's going to have more purple, Unforgettable, like I just showed you. And then some Red Heart with love, striped, I bet. That's just a guess. I don't know what's in it. What a guess it was! Okay, so I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. So I did get 3 more of the purple Unforgettable again. Beautiful, beautiful. I did get some Red Heart Soft. I didn't get the Red Heart with Love, but I did get it in the same color as the other box. That wildflower color, I think. Oh, it just says Maltese. Whatever. Looks like wildflowers to me. Anyways, beautiful. 3 of those. And then I got another Unforgettable. Oh, it's the Whimsical. That one's pretty. I like all of them, but I like this. Out of the 3 I got, this one is my second favorite. I like it better than the Gotham, but not as much as the Petunia. But it's very pretty. I like it a lot. So that was it. Well worth the $25 and then the 25% off of that. So really can't beat it. You really can't. It's a good mystery box. Okay, now this is Caron. This is my last one. Now I'm gonna take a little gander about what's in here. All right, it's just a guess. I'm gonna say it's gonna be all Caron Simply Soft. Okay. I think there's gonna be a bright yellow. I think there's gonna be an orange. And maybe a green. Okay, that's my guesses. Okay, yellow, bright yellow, orange, and green. Here we go. Of all Caron Simply Soft. I like Caron Simply Soft, so it's not really a bother to me to get that. Oh my gosh. Oh, my dogs are all in here. They're barking. Georgie. Okay. Well, here's my green Caron Simply Soft. I got 3 balls of that. It's actually a pretty green. It's color lime green. So, Caron Simply Soft, if you don't know, it's a medium weight number 4 acrylic, 315 yards. It's nice. Green. Figured that one out. Oh my gosh, I got a bright yellow too. Are you kidding me? I'm just a lucky guesser tonight. Maybe I should hit the casino. Bright yellow, 3 of those. I think it's called Super Duper Yellow. Oh, it is. How'd I know? But I didn't get the orange right. Well, I did and I didn't. I did get the orange, but it's flecked. How about that? I think it's called flecked. Speckled. I like this. This is really pretty. So it's orange, but it's speckled. A reddish orange, I guess. I wonder what the color of that is called. Oh, Himalayan salt. Okay, so it's a pinkish orange. I don't know. It looks kind of orangish to me, but maybe with some pink and red in it. No, there's no red in it. It's pink and orange. Anyways, regardless, I still got, even though this isn't like solid orange, it's kind of orange, so I nailed all 3 of those. That was a good time. It's always a good time opening mystery boxes. Now, those are totally worth the money, if you ask me. Even though I got the same things that I got last time, it was still fun. Getting them on the doorbuster for $25, and you're getting 9 balls there. What a deal that is. But then I was able to get an extra 25% off. If you don't remember me telling you how to do that, you go to your JoAnne's account online. Make sure you're logged into your account. Put the mystery boxes in your cart. Stay logged in and leave your cart, okay? Just leave JoAnne's. And then JoAnne's should, within an hour to a few hours, sometimes it takes a day, send you an email saying, hey, you forgot something in your cart. If you check out now, here's a 25% off coupon code. Sometimes it's 20 and sometimes it's 25. And sometimes they'll add free shipping with it, or $2.99 shipping, or 99-cent shipping, something like that with it. So yes, you gotta make sure you're logged in. Throw it in your cart. Don't log out. Just leave JoAnne and just wait for that email to come. Okay, that's just a little trick I learned. It don't just work on mystery boxes. It works on anything at JoAnne's, all right? They want you to come back, so they give me that coupon code. All right, I'm going to go. It was a lot of fun, and I enjoy spending time with you guys, all right? I'll see you on my next video. All right. Bye, guys.